back in the field, day 2, going on noon. Be able to dig for a good 6 hours or so. As you can see here, this is day 2, so now things have calmed down a little bit, but still got water in the hole all the way. I don't know, I'd say we got about 200 feet trenched already, but you can see the clay line. Clay, and there's a lot of gravel and rock in here, so it's once you get down there, it's slowing you down a little bit digging that up, but making progress. But a lot of clay down there, about a foot down, so I guess that's why we're retaining so much water. The field's got a lot of water in it. I have to I'm gonna put another 4-inch. I think I'm gonna run a 6-inch in here, and then I'm gonna run another 4-inch out that way through. That's a real wet area. Get some ground back once I drain that, because I don't even normally farm that little area back there. So just if this drainage works out, I could gain another 2 acres. And then I gotta run. There's a low area in the field out there that's usually wet. I'm gonna run a 4-inch section in that. All right, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, we're trenching at 3 foot. Actually, I have it marked at 3'4". There's a black electrical tape wrapped around the boom with a bucket straight down. It's 3 feet 4 inches. I marked it for that depth plus a 4-inch pipe. Actually going to probably put 6-inch pipe in, so I'm trying to go just a hair deeper than the tape, but as long as it's close. But that's worked out real nice, that gauge, that electrical tape marking on the boom. Down there it was real rocky. Now it's not as rocky, and it's cutting through pretty quick. So I'm moving a little bit faster. About 3-4 feet at a time. So I'm making progress. Just got to get around this bend, and then I probably have about another, I don't know, 300 feet or so to go, maybe more. Well, we're making progress. I gotta run and get fuel. Got a little bit farther. Water down there in the lower spot, and we're starting to go up a grade. Less water. And then as I hit the wet spots, it starts to fill up some. It's clay, and then there's shale in the bottom, so digging up that shale kind of slows me down.